Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I will be reviewing the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor. So as you can see, this is still in the packet. I recently bought this and I was like, it would be nice to, come out here and do a review and, let you guys know what I think about it. Like first impressions basically, because I have never used this moisturizer, and on my channel I love to review skincare products and let you guys know my honest opinion. So this is basically a moisturizer and it has, HA, hyaluronic acid, I suppose. So here it says it has amino acids, or amino acids as some people may call it, dermal lipids and hyaluronic acid. So these things I've mentioned, they are amazing for the skin. So amino acids are like building blocks, so, and these really help the skin. Is building blocks basically part of like protein and everything. I don't want to sound too technical, well, and then when lipids are amazing as well because they help to protect the skin barrier. Hyaluronic acid, it's our favorite because it has to do with hydration of the skin. So basically this moisturizer is going to be one that it should be one, like a barrier protecting moisturizer. So the foil is on. I'll just take this off. Yes, I've taken it off and screw it on back, and you get 30 ml worth of product here, and there's a sign here that says 12M. So that means that this should be used within 1 year, within 12 months from opening. Okay, let me put some on my hand like so. Interesting. It doesn't have any fragrance to it. I think I should come a bit closer so you guys can see. So I think I took a bit too much, but it's just like, white, like a moisturizer. So let me just massage it and we'll see what it feels like. And yes, so this is what the back of my hand looks like, as you can see. So now I'm just going to go on straight to apply this on my face. And so I will take just a little bit, not too much, so I see how this goes on the skin. So first things first, it has no fragrance to it. So my face is freshly washed. I have toned it and used the necessary products. The only product I have on my face, besides washing it and toning it, is the snail mucin for hydration. So this is the bit where I moisturize my face, and so this is what we're looking like. So I can tell that this is quite thick. You saw how it took me some time to fully massage this into the skin. So this is a rich moisturizer. It is not lightweight, so this will be very, in my opinion, like first impression, I can tell that this will be good for people with dry skin. Well, clearly it's rich with lipids and hyaluronic acid. So that's what my face looks like. I have fully massaged it into my skin. Let's see. And my face feels like I applied a rich moisturizer, like a barrier protecting moisturizer. I don't know if I would say it feels a bit, it's greasy. No, it actually, to be honest, it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels like I used something, that is really rich. And there we have it. So this is what my face looks like. What do you guys think? Interesting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ensure I use this for the entire week, and I'll use it morning and night, and then I will be sure to come back again to do another review, maybe say 2 weeks later, to let you guys know the outcome, if I would highly recommend it or if it's just there. So but from what I can see, this is a nice moisturizer. Like I said, people with dry skin, flaky skin, impaired barrier will really benefit from this just by applying it now, because my face feels really moisturized. So that's what I can say about it. So now from the directions, it says apply after serums as needed for effective surface hydration. So it makes sense why it feels it feels quite heavy, because this is really for surface hydration. And what lipids do is they basically help to seal the skin in such a way that there won't be loss of hydration, because it has hyaluronic acid as well. So the hyaluronic acid absorbs, attracts moisture, and the lipids seal, and then the amino acids, what it does is that it helps to repair the skin. So it's such a nice combination. And I'll be sure to put the price, somewhere on the screen for you guys to check out, and also put the link. So if you are, if you'd like to try it out, if you'd like to purchase it, you can purchase it. But so far so good. I must say that I am pleased with this moisturizer. But for the quantity, and then again, like I said, I'll be sure to check the price to know if it's worth it for this tiny amount. But to be honest, little goes a long way. So I would say that this moisturizer, I would highly recommend it to people with impaired barrier, and people with dry skin, and people using products like retinol, tretinoin, these like drying products basically. I would highly recommend this for you. And here it says that you should carry out a patch test to find out if this works for you, if you're okay with it. So basically that's it for this moisturizer. And once again, how to use this is, after cleansing your face, you use a toner if you have a toner, then follow up with your serums. After applying your serums, you end with this moisturizer. At night time, you end with the moisturizer, but in the daytime, after applying the moisturizer, ensure you end with a broad spectrum SPF. And that's it for this moisturizer. And another thing is that this is just a basic moisturizer, basic in the sense that it would pair with any and every other skincare product. So that's about it. Would I recommend this for now? Yes, I am okay, I like it. But be sure to check back, because in a couple of weeks I will do another review and tell you if my honest opinion on this, because we can't just judge this from just using it now. That's not how I judge products. I have to use it over a period of time, because I like to be very honest. But so far so good. I'm liking it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you have tried this, and how you feel about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.